I think it's a great celebration. To me, it's a green celebration. Dalai Lama ji is a blessing to the world. And his message is very clean, clear and bold. That we are here on this earth to be in peace, not in pieces. How we can make this world a better world, not a bitter world. हम लोग आज देख रहे हैं कि we are seeing the wars everywhere. But his clear message is not war, but the peace. Peace is the way, love is the way, compassion is the way. समय आया है हम पूरे वर्ल्ड को ये मैसेज दें और यही हमारे देश के ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर का श्री मोदी जी का मैसेज है कि शांति, अहिंसा, हिंसा नहीं, अहिंसा इज द वे, वार नहीं, प्यार इज द वे, लव इज द वे, healing is the way, help is the way, and His Holiness given always this beautiful a green message. And we celebrate together here 90th celebration. I think it's not here only in Dharamshala. This is the blessing to the world.
How do you see when not only Buddhists but people from all multi-religions they have?
I think that's what he did. He said, respect your own, worship your own, but respect all. This is his very clean and bold message to the world. That's why we all, from all different denominations, different religions, we are all here. Give the message that togetherness is the way, inclusiveness is the way, oneness is the way, and love is the way, peace is the way, and this is the only way. युद्ध बहुत हो गए, अब युद्ध नहीं, अब योग चाहिए, प्यार चाहिए, पीस चाहिए.